Keren. It's not that far right now. Or is it? Maybe 1 minute.
So we're here at Brew Coffee, and they have a good views. And I don't always come here, but I do come here when I do want to get a matcha, and their matcha is really good. And their matcha is always 5 out of 5. So this is why I come and take them here and make them try the matcha. And what a coincidence, because the Valentine. Yes, the Valentine.